morning internet. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and welcome back to the channel. So I am on this gorgeous island called Taquile in Peru, and my plan was to catch a boat back to the mainland, back to Puno this afternoon. But coronavirus, they're going to lock down the island, and that means that there will be one boat out of here at 10 o'clock. So I have to take that boat and get back to Puno. I have no idea what the rules are going to be in Puno, if that's also going to be on lockdown and I have to go in self-quarantine. But hey, we'll see when I get there. I'll just take the 10 o'clock boat, go back to Puno, pick up Dhanno, and then check into a place, I think, and then see what happens. So yeah, that's the plan of today. Hello! Hi! My little friend. So yeah, just gonna have a breakfast and then catch the boat. So let's see. So it was a super long walk. We had to walk all the way to the other side of the island. Luckily Hector and his wife helped me carry all my stuff, which I was super grateful for. So now I'm here and that is the boat that is gonna go to the mainland. I still have to wait about 2 hours before it leaves, and then hopefully it will leave to Puno. And yeah, let's see from there what I'm gonna do. I think I will ride. Yeah, latest information is that they're gonna ban all travel within Peru as of tonight at 12 o'clock. So I have today to get to a place where I am going to sit out 15 days of quarantine. Hey! So yeah, and it's kind of hard to decide what is a good place, yeah, where I should go to do that, since I don't know any place. So yeah, I'll think about where I'm gonna go to sit it out, and then yeah, see what happens. Okay, let's open the gate. Hoe gaat dit open? Tengo que abrir. Ah, solo hay un señor que tiene la. Okay. Sí, Lampa. Desde mañana no. Sí, yo sé. Sí. 15 días, ¿no? Gracias. Adiós. Okay, I got Dhanno back, which is good news. So all the rumors have been confirmed. As of tomorrow, there is no more travel allowed within Peru for 15 days. Everybody has to go in quarantine. So I'm going to follow up that advice. So this will be the last day of riding for at least 15 days. But I don't want to stay here in Puno. So I'm going to ride to Lampa, which is 80 kilometers from here. So now people are still going about their daily business here. But it looks like that will all change tomorrow. Now 3 o'clock in the afternoon, by the way. Boat took about 3 hours to reach here. But I should be plenty in time to reach Lampa. I don't even know what this town is called, but it's definitely still busy as usual. does remind me a little bit of India with these cycle rickshaws and tuk-tuks. I am in Lampa. Bienvenidos a Lampa. This is the famous church of Lampa. Hospedaje. Hola, hospedaje Estrella.
Sí.
Estoy enfrente de la puerto.
Ya, ahorita voy a venir, estoy en el mercado.
Ah, ok.
¿Ya? Un ratito, espera.
¿Tiene lugar? ¿Tiene habitación?
Sí, sí, tenemos.
Ok, espero aquí.
Ya, está bien.
Ok, gracias.
¿Qué tal? ¿De dónde llegas?
Hoy de Taquile.
Ah, Taquile.
Sí, el último lancha desde la isla hasta Puno
Ah,
y ahora hasta aquí.
¿estás sola viajando?
Sí,
Ah,
sí,
¿vas a querer una habitación?
sí. Me dijeron que Perú va a cerrar todo desde mañana por 15 días.
Sí.
Entonces, quiero que quedarme 15 días.
¿Ya 15 días te vas a quedar?
Sí, creo que sí. No sé, depende de la situación
¿Tú
con
qué nacionalidad eres? ¿De dónde?
Holanda.
Ah, Holanda.
Pero ya estoy en Sudamérica desde 5 meses.
Ah, ya estás recorriendo poco a poco. Tiempo.
Sí, como hace 5 meses comencé en Buenos Aires, en Argentina,
Ya.
y viajé toda Argentina hasta Ushuaia, y después al norte, Chile, Argentina, Bolivia y ahora Perú.
Ah, vas
Sí.
a seguir viaje. Para Bolivia, para Ecuador.
Sí,
Ah,
sí.
ya.
¿Puedo poner mi moto adentro?
Sí.
Oh, wow. Nice. The snow gets to sit nice and dry. Okay. So, this is the room where I will be spending 15 days. Look at it. I got one bed here. Then I can put my stuff there. Another bed there. And then this is the bathroom. So yeah, this is my home for the next 15 days. Well, I guess it could have been better, could have been worse. Yeah, not much else to say about that. I think all over the world we're kind of in the same situation, and yeah, just have to ride it out, I guess. No idea what I'm going to do here all this time. There is no Wi-Fi. So I have some internet on my SIM card, the SIM card that I bought in Puno, which I'm now really glad that I did, obviously. So I have some data. I'm gonna try now to buy some more, and then I don't know, see if I can do some work with that. But yeah, isolation it is. 15 days at least, and then we will see what they do in Peru. Yeah, I already saw some police on the street, so it looks like they'll reinforce it and check where you're going. I'm hoping that I can just, I mean, there's nature all around here, so I'm hoping I can go for walks in nature. You know, if I'm just by myself, then it should be all fine, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then, well, yeah, I was gonna say I'll see you in the next video, but yeah, this will also mean that there will be no videos for at least 15 days. Because yeah, I have no idea what to show you. But me sitting around is a bit boring, so at least yeah, it will be quiet on the channel, I guess, and we'll just have to wait it all out. So I encourage you to watch season 1 and season 2 again from the start in the meantime, so I can generate some income, because yeah, not releasing videos for 15 days obviously also means no income for 15 days. So yeah, we will see how that all goes. But anyway, yeah, all of you take care. By the time this video releases, obviously, hopefully you've noticed that my videos are always a bit delayed. So by the time that this video releases, the world might be a completely different place, because the whole situation around the corona or COVID-19 situation changes so super rapidly that I have no idea how the world will look like in a few weeks. And neither do you. Anyway, I do hope that all of you are in good health and safe, and that we all ride this out together. So see you in the next video.